So this problem says multiplying a non-zero number by 3 and then multiplying the result by 7, followed by a division of 5, will result in a factor change of k from the original number. So we want to determine the value of k. So it says a non-zero number. So let's just call it x. So we're going to multiply that by 3 and then multiply the result by 7 and then divide by 5. So let's put these together. So we have 21x, and then that's divided by 5. Now, it says it will result in a factor change of k from the original. Now remember, x is the original, and the factor is what we're multiplying by. So we're multiplying 21 over 5 times x. So that right there is our factor change. So that is what k equals. Now, if you write it this way, it's going to be wrong though. Why is that? See, this is where usually ICTM wants things written exactly, but here it says it's an exact decimal. So here's where they're going to get you marked wrong. So 21 divided by 10 is 2.1, and then when we multiply by 2, we get 4.2. So there is our exact decimal answer.